Okay, busy. Sorry guys, I've yeah, a bit of a scruff, but been very busy and still busy at this moment. I've got tons of work to do, and it's hot. So let me put the fan on me. Oh, only fans. Is it fans only? So okay, where am I right now? Okay, so message came in this morning about my beautiful blend of the healer oils. If you look at the what can I say? Amazing reviews, amazing reviews, fantastic. One person sent a message saying that the blend of the healer is slightly different from when they first bought it. You've got to understand that when you work with your hands and you're not working with machines, when you are buying about 21 different bottles of natural incense, sometimes the incense comes slightly different because depending on the way they make the incense, you know, if it's the first I don't know, the first I can't remember what the word is, this first, second, third, like olive oil. So it depends. Everything depends on your product. So sometimes it does slightly change. And somebody's mentioned something about the silver doesn't look silver anymore. Yes, that's because silver sometimes tarnishes. A lot of the time silver will tarnish. Solid silver with tarnishing oil, gold not. So sometimes you've got this gold and some tarnished silver, but it's still silver and it still goes into the skin. So visually and sometimes slightly different, that's my oils. They've always been that way. So that's the only way I can describe, you know, when I'm working to a pattern, you know, sometimes I've got to get it just, you can't get it that accurate all the time because you're working with teaspoons, and sometimes you might put a little bit more than you do. So it's all by hand, but everything is done with love. Everything is done with the most beautiful intention so that you get the greatest product, which it is, and the greatest of energy. That's it. That's all I can tell you about that. Second thing is I did I thought was I love talking about my work. I love talking about my products because of how they've helped me along my journey. So last night I decided to do something because I was asked, what can we do, you know, to clear negative energy? Okay, well, I've done like probably about 500 videos, but I understand that I have a lot of new clients. So, all right, let's do something again. So what I did was I just sat down, meditated on it, and then came up with the best products on my website that I believe is the best in the world that will help you at this time for detoxing your body, for cleansing the negative energy around you, within you, cleansing the negative energy in houses, and how to protect yourself. So basically what I'm showing you now is exactly that. So the first thing is this, which is Agua de Florida. That's what you'll get. You'll get a beautiful bag of Alpujarra sage. And if you watch the video before this, on the live, if you watch the video on the live button, you'll find the video of me talking about that as well. These are the sticks that I would suggest you use on a daily basis. So as you can see, that's Palo Santo, that is frankincense, that is sage. These are my beautiful sticks that I'm so proud of. So that's them. 3 oils that I suggest for cleansing negative energy, which is of course cleansing oil, my cleansing oil, awakening oil, and I explain why to use that one, and blend of a healer for the detox and cleansing. So that's that. Then I have my 2 beautiful aura sprays, which I explain all about as well. So cleansing negative energy, aura spray, and clearing attachments, all vital right now and so important. And these 2, these are my absolute favorite from cleansing your body. These are incredible. So they're the most divine cleansing negative sticks and also awakening sticks. So these are, I'm proud of all my products. And finally, you'll get a beautiful piece. We'll just choose one between probably 70 and 90 euros, okay, something like that, or probably around 90 euros, and it will be on a pendant, so it'll be a pendant, and that's a Tektite. So all of that together, I asked the girls how much is that all together if somebody was to order that, and they said 350-ish. And I said, okay, well, let's do it for less than 200. So, and give free DHL delivery. Basically, you're getting tons of stuff free, and there's only so many sets. So they are now on the website. In fact, they'll be underneath here. The link will be underneath here. So that's it. I thought, what a lovely thing to do, and I hope you appreciate that. And yeah, watch the video in full, and then you'll understand when you buy this kit, when it comes to you, you'll know exactly how to use them all. So I thought that was quite nice. So what I'll do then is I'll link 2 links below. The first one is to buy the kit. I don't know how many kits are left now because we put them on sale a few hours ago. There's only 50. And then I'll put the link below to the video as well, so you don't need to go looking for it. All right, that's it. I have to get back to work. I'm extremely busy at the moment. I've just invested in some amazing crystals right now, 2 beautiful pieces of alexandrite. So I'm working all day long trying to do my best to get nice things in for you guys every day, and I am now I've just finished working on some beautiful turquoise, so I'm going to do a video for that shortly. But I hope you appreciate this lovely cleansing negative energy kit. It is fantastic, and it's what I would use as a healer on my clients, and then I would recommend those products so that you went away and kept yourself cleansed and cleaned. So have a great day. Take care. Thanks a lot.